It doesn't matter if this is your first or 10th trip overseas, England is a fantastic destination. For English speakers, the language barrier does not exist, although one can hear languages from all around the world being spoken here. The highlights of England, such as Westminster Abbey and Knightsbridge shopping in London, may be plenty for first-time visitors. They may also want to check out a university town or Stonehenge. Those that return to the area may choose to explore the moors, charming villages, or the history of England's colonial past. There is something for everyone in England's top tourist destinations. Number 10. Brighton. Since the mid-19th century, Brighton has been a popular beach destination on the Sussex coast. Due to its proximity to London, it's a popular destination for day trippers. Historic Victorian homes flank the sands of the beach, which are now used as tourist lodgings. The Palace Pier and the traditional English gardens are sure to pique the interest of anyone who visits. Entertainment and sports stars call this city home because of its thriving nightlife. Number 9. Lake District. Cumbria, in the northwest of England, is home to England's largest national park, the Lake District. Hiking and mountaineering are popular pastimes in the mountainous terrain. More than 15 million people visit each year, making it a popular tourist destination. Scawfell Peak, England's tallest peak, and Windermere Lake, the country's longest lake, are both located in the park. It's possible that some visitors choose a more leisurely stroll through the valleys while reading the works of famed 19th-century poet William Wordsworth. Number 8. St. Ives. St. Ives may have been a fishing town in the past, but it still has the only port in Cornwall's southwestern region. In 2010, and again in 2011, this picture-perfect seaside hamlet of over 12,000 residents was chosen the best in the United Kingdom for seaside resorts. The small cobblestone lanes are lined with lovely buildings that house stores and art galleries, so comfortable walking shoes are a must. Number 7. Bath. The Romans, who established Bath in 60 AD and constructed baths here due to the area's hot springs, gave the town its name. During the Georgian era, when the elite went here for spa treatments, it was at its most popular. The city is also a fine example of Georgian architecture in addition to its famed waters. Today, Bath boasts a thriving cultural scene, with a variety of live performances and high-end restaurants. Stonehenge is just a short drive away from the southwest English city of Salisbury. Number 6. Cambridge. The University of Cambridge, one of the world's best universities, is located in the ancient city of Cambridge, about 80 kilometers, 50 miles, north of London. It was founded in 1209, and its students make up about 20% of the city's population of 123,000. Once they've had their fill of Cambridge, tourists can take a riverboat trip on the Cam, see the Fitzwilliam Museum, or walk across the Mathematical Bridge, which some argue is better than the bridges in Venice. Number 5. Jurassic Coast. The Jurassic Coast in southern England, generally extending from Bournemouth to Exmouth, may be of interest to fossil searchers. When the continents were colliding and moving apart 185 million years ago, these rocks formed. Charmouth is the greatest site to look for fossils along the journey. Visitors, as well as fossil seekers, should make time to wander the beaches or visit the small, quaint communities along the road. When strolling near cliffs, be aware that rocks can fall at any time, so be cautious. Number 4. Oxford. Oxford was known as Oxenaford or a crossing point for oxen in Saxon England. Oxford University, founded in the 12th century, is the oldest English language institution of higher learning in the world. The county seat of Oxfordshire, this town in southeast England is also home to Norman Castle ruins and the Christ Church Cathedral, which serves as both a college chapel and a cathedral. Oxford's ethnic diversity is a result of the city's international student population. Number 3. York. York is a historic walled city on the confluence of the Foss and the Ouse rivers. Visitors to the city's cobblestone streets will find a plethora of intriguing sights to see. There is a famous landmark in York called York Minster. Stunning artwork adorns the walls of this imposing stone cathedral. The William the Conqueror built and Henry III rebuilt Clifford's Tower in the 13th century offers spectacular views of the city. Number 2. Stonehenge and Avebury. Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument in Wiltshire, is one of England's most renowned tourist destinations. Massive stones from Wales and the Marlborough Downs began to be transported by Neolithic and Bronze Age people from 2500 BC. Stonehenge was not completed until 1600 BC. There are several reasons why Stonehenge is a must-see, but the most important is that it should be paired with a visit to prehistoric Avebury to the north. Number 1. London. When it comes to defining England's capital city of London and the United Kingdom as a whole, no adjective is too laudatory. From Westminster Abbey to Buckingham Palace, this bustling city embodies history. Don't miss the changing of the guards. Traveling via red double-decker bus and the tube, or subway, where you are continually reminded to keep an eye out for pedestrians is an essential part of a visit to London. If you've seen a play in London, don't forget to visit a local pub for a pint afterward. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.